All right, here you go. Good luck, Nick. Box numero dos. Here we go. Then you're done? All right, cool. No silver. We'll do this pack and then give me 1 second. All right, here we go. We got Trish Stratus. So let's bring the thingy back out. There we go. All right, cool. We got Trish Stratus. Jerry the King Lawler, red. Damian Sandow. Kofi Kingston. And our autograph is Dolph Ziggler. And that's Dolph Ziggler. Alright, here we go. Next pack. Yeah, gold would be nice. Those are rare finds in this stuff. We got a Diva Auto. We got the cage match. Sheamus, Ryback, R-Truth, Barrett, Ziggler, Henry. Honky Tonk Man, red. Rob Van Dam, Mr. Pay-Per-View. Edge, going for the spear. And nope, but we got Brie Bella. Brie Bella Diva Auto. That's okay. Good. As long as you say it's okay, I'm okay. Oh, we got Alexa Bliss, 73 of 99. Bam, 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 bam. Triple H. Big Show versus Daniel Bryan and Mark Henry. And our autograph is Fandango. Oh, those people are finally leaving. We got Rookie of the Year autograph. 4 of 25, Yokozuna. Bonsai drop. Sorry, I already know which one that is as soon as I see that. Bruno Sammartino. Red border. Booker T. Bruno Sammartino, regular. And Neville. Rookie of the Year, Neville. The man that gravity forgot. So far the breed. It looks like we have another Diva coming up. Another Diva autograph. Alright, Triple H versus Brock Lesnar. Purple Fandango. 15 of 50. Chris Jericho. Y2J. Break the walls down. Luke Harper. And does he finally get her? Does he get her? Does he get her? Does he get her? Summer Rae. And not get Trish. Another Summer Rae auto. It's like the Fandango box. We got Ultimate Warrior versus Ravishing Rick Rude, red border. Undertaker Tombstone. This was at WrestleMania recently. Purplish Hacksaw Jim Duggan, 42 of 50. Fandango. And our autograph is the Nature Boy, Ric Flair.
Mornings, we rise, but then we settle. Why are we content to be okay with just okay? We're satisfied with
Nice. NXT autograph coming up. We got Stephanie McMahon. Paul Bearer. Honky Tonk Man. He's a honky tonk man. Jack Swagger. And not a first autograph. Baron Corbin. Black autograph coming up. That was weird. Why is the numbering up there? Now we got Sting. Wish he would have signed for this. That would have been dope. John Cena. Nikki Bella. John Cena versus Edge. And our autograph is a relic auto. Anybody know? Anybody know? Anybody know? Zack Ryder. 29 of 50. Merry Christmas Eve. $5.15, right? No, I need something like that. Oh, I got another black auto? Oh, another black autograph. Nice. We got Bailey. Carmella. Paul Bearer, 21 of 99. Yes, yes, yes. Daniel Bryan. And our autograph is Superstar The Miz, 18 of 50. And the last pack. Good luck. We got 53.99 John Cena versus Edge. Samoa Joe, rookie. Rob Van Dam, 90 of 99. You know he has a weightlifting move that he patented it, kind of. It's his own. Stephanie McMahon, And our last autograph is nice. Oh, look at that color. Seth Rollins. I don't even know what to call it. That's nice. Look at that. Let's see if I can focus on it. A little closer on the coloring. Look at that. Very nice. Nice Seth Rollins. Cool stuff, man. Thank you, Nick. Appreciate it.